Hello, YouTube, and welcome back with another Marvel Strike Force free-to-play series, Day 3. Okay, here guys, I will show you what progress I did on Heroes campaign. I'm here. I stopped here for a moment because I need stronger characters to continue. And the Villains campaign is where I stop. Easy unlock all. Easy unlock on the villain. The Nexus, I already unlocked the Nexus but not started yet. Okay, another all locks characters. Okay, on day 3, I will teach you guys what team to build. Okay, first we go to squads and we go to raids. On here you can see what teams do you need to build. First is the champion. Champion characters are include Nova, Miles, Braun, Moon Girl, and Miss Marvel. Why do you need champion characters? Because they are raid teams. They are very useful on the game. While doing raids, you will get gold and so much more resources. Okay? They are for the bio. Here, bio. And next one is the immortal weapon. They are the mystic nodes. Iron Fist, Steel Serpent, Lady Bullseye, Swordmaster, Iron Fist World War II. They are for the mystic section. Next is the Insidious 6. And they are for the city tech. Next is the Hellfire Club. They are for the mutant section. Mutant. Include Sebastian Shaw, Emma Frost, Madeline Pryor, Azrael, Rachel Summers, okay? Thunderbolt, don't build them because they already been replaced by Champion. The next one is Vigilante. Vigilante is the city skill. City. But I think they already been replaced by the Spider. Yeah, so don't build the Vigilante. And next priority as a new player is the Arena team. Here. You can see the other good Arena team before, but now you will focus on the top. Symbiote 6, Riot, Null, Toxin, and Quicksilver Symbiote. That's why I unlocked Venom. Just keep farming them, and eventually in the mid game, in terms of future game, they will be very useful to you. That's all. Thank you.